This is part 2 on how to make an easy granny square crocheted blanket. Perfect for beginners. If you haven't seen part 1, there's a link in the description. Let's get started. In part 1, we learned how to make a slip knot and tie that onto our crochet hook, and then how to make a chain circle. Let's begin part 2. The next step is to make 3 more chains. So, we grab the wool, twist the hook, and pull it through. That's one chain. Grab the wool, twist and pull it through. That's another chain. Grab the wool, twist and pull it through. And that is a third chain. The next step is essentially how you make the entire blanket, so you'll get very good at this next step. This is called a double crochet. We twist the hook around the wool like that. Then the hook goes through the center of our circle. We grab the wool and pull it back through. So we have 3 loops on the crochet hook at the moment. 1, 2, 3. Now here comes the double crochet part. We grab the wool, twist and pull it through the first and second loop, but not the third. Never the third in this step. Then going to grab some more wool, twist and pull it through. This time pull it through both remaining loops. So there, that's called a double crochet. Now we do that again. Twist the hook through the wool, push it through the center of the circle, grab some more wool and pull it back. We have 3 loops on the crochet hook. So twist and grab some more wool, pull it through the first 2 loops. Twist and grab some more wool, pull it through the remaining loops. So here we have 1, 2, 3 sections. This first one was made by chains, but it looks pretty similar to the double crochet, so that just blends in. If you look at my crochet blanket, we have made this part here with these 3 chains, and each of these parts is called a shell. So we need to make 3 more shells to complete this center part. Now this part makes a corner, and each corner is made with just 2 additional chains. Let's do that now. So 2 chains make up each corner. So twist and pull it through. Twist, grab some wool and pull it through. There, 2 chains. So that will be the corner. Now we're going to do 3 more double crochets to get another shell that looks like this. So twist the wool around, push it through the circle, grab some more wool, pull it back. We have 3 loops. We're going to twist and pull it through the first 2 loops. And then twist and pull it through the remaining 2 loops. We're going to do that again. Twist the wool around, push it through the circle, grab some wool and pull it back. So we're going to twist and pull it through the first 2 loops. Twist, pull it through the remaining 2 loops. So we have 2 double crochets there. We need 1 more. Twist it around the hook, push it through the circle, grab the wool, pull it back. We have 3 loops. So twist, pull it through the first 2 loops. And twist, pull it through the remaining 2 loops. So there we go. We have a shell there. We have a shell here. So now we need to make another corner. So 1 chain, another chain, twist and pull it through. So we need to do another shell. That's 3 more double crochets. So twist, push it through the middle, grab the wool, pull it back. We have 3 loops. Twist, pull it through the first two, twist, pull it through the next two. And again, we need 2 more of those. So wrap it around the wool, push it through the circle, grab the wool, pull it back, twist, pull it through the first 2 loops, and twist, pull it through the next 2 loops. We need 1 more. Wrap it around the hook, through the circle, grab the wool, pull it back, twist, pull it through the first 2 loops, twist, pull it through the next 2 loops. So we have 3 more double crochets. That is the next shell. So to make the next corner, we do 2 more chains. So twist, pull it through, twist, pull it through. 1 more shell to complete this row. So wrap it around the hook, through the middle, grab the wool, pull it back, twist, pull it through the first 2 loops, twist and pull it through the next 2 loops. And again, wrap it around the hook, push it through the circle, grab the wool, pull it back, twist, pull it through the first 2 loops, and twist, pull it through the next 2 loops. And 1 more to finish this row. Wrap it around the hook, push it through the middle, grab the wool, pull it back, twist, pull it through the first 2 loops, and twist, pull it through the next 2 loops. Now to complete this row, we need 2 more chains to make that corner. So twist, pull it through the loop, and twist, pull it through the loop. Now, we need to join this shell to that shell, and we do that through the very top stitch up here. I'm just going to work the crochet hook into there, under that part of the wool, and now we just join it together with a chain. So twist and pull it through both loops. And I'm going to join that together with 1 more chain. So twist, pull it through. There we go. So we have 1 completed row on our granny square blanket. That's the end of part 2. Click here to find the next step in part 3. See you there.